Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's T5 with Becky the Trekkie, where it's time for another roller coaster ride. This one's going to be Tempesto at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. It's just behind us. We went on a similar one at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. I think it's called Tigers, over there by the Tiger Encounter. It's got a couple of rollbacks and probably 3 launches, maybe.
I think so.
I'm going to say it's usually a little bit shorter ride, but come along with us. It'll be a quick one, and then stick with this just for a few seconds afterwards, and we'll let you know what we think of this coaster. All right, let's get in line. Tempesto, here we go.
Thank you for riding Tempesto. Have fun during the rest of your guest address. Dare to enjoy your ride on Tempesto. Boarding guests, step carefully into the seats directly in front of you. Lift the comfort. Boarding guests, step carefully into the seats directly in front of you. Lift the comfort collar up prior to sitting.
Okay.
Once seated, pull the harness down over your legs and secure the comfort collar to your harness. Make sure your comfort collar is secure and pull up on your launch head.
Okay, yep.
If you're not riding,
get your feet in first.
Please take a step back.
And drop that down, then lock it. It just kind of clips in.
Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time.
Yep, you're in it. I think we're in it, Becky. This is going to be a fast one. Okay, I think we're ready, Becky. We're clear.
Now sit back with your back against the seat and your head against the headrest. Dare to enjoy your ride.
Here we go. In the backwards launch. Here we go on the speed. Oh, in the air.
Oh, that whipped me.
Wow, this is super slow. Man.
Oh my gosh.
Where does this go? Oh! What in the world? And I think that's it.
This includes all hats, skis, and legs without straps, training packs, jackets around the waist, so you can think your pocket seats.
Just enough.
If you do lose anything on Tempesto, our Tempesto team will not be able to retrieve it and will be lost forever. The only exception to this list is shoes. Shoes must be worn at all times on Tempesto. Thank you.
All right, just coming off of Tempesto. What'd you think?
I liked it. If it's for as short of a ride it is, it's definitely a fun one. Being in the front, you can definitely see the whole track there. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed the ride.
I don't always do great on backward stuff, so sometimes it gets the stomach going just a little bit. But all in all, it's really short, so I wouldn't be afraid of it. It just kind of get that second launch really is pretty good speed. We'll have to look up, see how fast it is. I'd say it's probably close to 60s, maybe 62, 63 if I had to guess. Somewhere in that range. Let us know in the comments if you know, and otherwise I'll try to look that up. But all in all, it's a nice little ride. So if it's got a short wait, I'd say get on it. If it's got that hour-and-a-half wait, I don't know about waiting an hour and a half, because it's just like, it's like a minute ride, or like minute 10, minute 20.
It's less than a minute.
It's pretty close. So All in all, though, I'm going to give it intensity. It's for me, because it's got the backwards and launches. It's like 8.5 on intensity scale. Enjoyment, I'm going to give it 7.5. I don't know if I could do it twice. You could probably, she's fine backwards. Sometimes I don't.
Maybe back to back.
Forward, I'm good. But I don't know. All in all, it's nice. That it really does have that low stall though. When it flips you upside down, it really slows you down for that part. So that it just ramps up the intensity. It's worth a go. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining us, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. And we'll see all our fellow travelers and riders soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.